Now you're watching, recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel present. Gyfent 18Pcs pressure washer accessories for car wash outdoor gutters. The adjustable foam cannon pressure washer gun kit is a versatile and powerful cleaning accessory designed to make car detailing and outdoor cleaning easier and more efficient. Featuring a 1/4 inches quick connector, the foam cannon attaches seamlessly to most pressure washer guns or wands, producing thick, snow-like foam that evenly coats vehicles, motorcycles, and household surfaces. By simply adding cleaning concentrate and warm water, users can adjust the top knob to achieve the desired foam density for effective dirt removal. Built with durable plastic, brass, and stainless steel components, this pressure washer gun is engineered for long-term performance and comfort. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during extended use, while the integrated safety trigger lock helps prevent accidental spraying. With a maximum working pressure of up to 5,000 psi and safe operation at water temperatures from 32 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles demanding cleaning tasks with ease. The kit includes 6 interchangeable nozzle tips for different spray angles, allowing precise control for various applications. Compatible with multiple connectors and accessories, it's ideal for cleaning cars, roofs, sidewalks, windows, gutters, and more, both indoors and outdoors. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.